If you can't hold these positions, your body is aging faster than it should. That's the harsh truth most people don't realize until pain shows up. Today, you're going to see 5 science-backed movements that reveal whether your body is staying strong or quietly breaking down. And the last one? It's the exercise almost everyone ignores until it's too late. Number 1, horse stance. This isn't just an exercise. This is your foundation. While most workouts are about movement, the horse stance is about rebuilding what you've lost. It targets the deep stabilizing muscles in your hips, the exact muscles responsible for balance, strength, and preventing falls as you age. Science shows these lateral stabilizers weaken fast with a sedentary lifestyle, and once they go, everything becomes fragile. The horse stance forces your nervous system to wake those muscles back up. If you're a beginner, take a wide stance, bend your knees slightly, and aim for 2 minutes total per day. Intermediate, lower yourself until your thighs move closer to parallel. Focus on control. Build up to 5 minutes. Advanced, thighs parallel, back upright, no shortcuts. Now you're building real structural strength. Work toward a single 5-minute hold. Takeaway, this is your lower body reset button. It turns weak legs into an unshakable base. Number 2, wall sits. Think of this as insurance for your knees. As you age, your knee joints don't just wear out. They weaken because they're not properly loaded. The connective tissues lose strength, stability disappears, and pain creeps in. Wall sits fix that. Research shows isometric holds like this strengthen tendons and reactivate the muscles that stabilize your knees. Beginner, lean against a wall with a slight bend in your knees. Even this starts the repair process. Aim for 2 minutes total daily. Intermediate, slide down to a 90-degree angle. Keep your entire spine pressed against the wall. Build up to 5 minutes. Advanced, go deeper, adjust your foot position, and accumulate up to 10 minutes throughout the day. Takeaway, wall sits don't just strengthen your legs, they protect your knees for the future. Number 3, plank. Most people think planks are just for abs. That's a mistake. The plank is one of the most powerful tools for protecting your spine. It trains your core to act like a natural brace, a built-in support system that reduces stress on your lower back. And according to biomechanics research, a strong core significantly lowers the risk of chronic back pain, especially after 40. Beginner, hold a plank on your forearms from head to knees for 30 seconds. Do it 3 times a day. Intermediate, extend to full body planks. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core, and aim for 3 to 5 minutes total daily. Advanced, add side planks or dynamic variations. Build toward a single 3-minute hold with perfect form. Takeaway, the plank is non-negotiable. It keeps your spine strong, stable, and pain-free. Number 4, deep squats. This is how the human body was designed to move. In many parts of the world, people sit in deep squats daily, well into their 80s and 90s. Meanwhile, most people today can't even hold one for 30 seconds. Why? Because chairs have replaced one of the most natural positions your body needs. Deep squats open up your hips, restore mobility, and bathe your joints in synovial fluid, the lubrication that keeps them healthy. Beginner, hold onto a support like a door frame. Drop your hips below your knees while keeping your chest tall. Start with 30 seconds. Intermediate, remove support. Keep your heels down. Aim for 2 to 3 minutes total daily. Advanced, sit comfortably at the bottom. Relax your breathing. Accumulate 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. Takeaway, when you reclaim your squat, you reclaim your mobility and your youth. Number 5, glute bridges. This is the missing link for most people. Here's the problem. Sitting shuts your glutes down, and when your glutes stop working, your lower back takes over. That's where pain begins. Strong glutes are critical for pelvic stability, walking mechanics, and overall movement efficiency. Without them, your body starts compensating and aging faster than it should. The glute bridge reactivates your entire posterior chain and fixes those imbalances. Beginner, lie on your back, knees bent. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 15 times. Intermediate, increase the hold to 10 seconds and accumulate 3 minutes total. Advanced, switch to single-leg glute bridges. This builds serious strength and eliminates imbalances. Takeaway, this is the exercise most people skip, and the one their body needs the most. These 5 movements aren't optional. They're your daily standard if you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades. But here's the real question. What happens if you actually commit to these for 100 days? That's exactly what I break down in the next video, and the results might completely change how you see your body. Start today, because 10 years from now, your body will either thank you or remind you that you didn't.